Hello everyone, my name is Anna. Welcome back, my channel Health Fitness 1047. I wish you a good day. Here is the main news. Let's watch now.
1. Squid Game Season 3 release date. When does it premiere? Squid Game is set to have a third season, following the release of its highly anticipated second season on Netflix. The new season continues the story of financially struggling individuals participating in a deadly survival game for a prize of 45.6 billion South Korean won, approximately $31.42 million USD. Director Wang Dong-hyuk revealed that he wrote both the second and third seasons simultaneously and that they are currently in post-production for the third season. 2. Squid Game prize money. $45.6 billion won in USD Season 2 of Squid Game has premiered, bringing back contestants vying for a substantial cash prize. The series, which gained immense popularity since its debut in 2021, continues to engage viewers with its thrilling narrative. The show's creator, Wang Dong-hyuk, drew inspiration from his own financial hardships growing up in Seoul, South Korea. 3. With the release of Squid Game Season 2 on Netflix, fans are eagerly anticipating news about Season 3. The series, which has gained immense popularity, continues to captivate viewers. Recent events, including a SAG screening and press conferences featuring cast members, have kept the buzz alive. As of now, there are no official updates regarding the cancellation or confirmation of a third season. 4. Squid Game Season 2 cast. Pics of the actors in the Netflix series Squid Game Season 2 has arrived, featuring both returning and new characters in its intense life or death competition. The cast includes familiar faces like Lee Jung-jae, who reprises his role as Ji-hun, and Lee Byung-hun, returning as the frontman. This season promises heightened suspense and drama as Ji-hun aims to dismantle the operation. A gallery showcases the cast in action, highlighting the thrilling characters of the new season. 5. Squid Game Season 2 release date and how to watch. The first look at Squid Game Season 2 has been released, providing updates on the return of Netflix's most-watched series. Since its debut in September 2021, Squid Game has become a cultural phenomenon, surpassing Bridgerton to hold the record for the most-watched show on the platform. The series features 456 financially struggling players competing in deadly children's games for a grand prize. It received 14 Emmy nominations and won 6, including Outstanding Lead Actor for Lee Jung-jae. Following its success, Netflix renewed the series for a second season on June 12, 2022. 6. Virgin River Season 6. Is this the last season of the series? The sixth season of Netflix's Virgin River premiered on December 19, 2024, and concluded with a significant cliffhanger, leaving viewers in suspense. The season finale introduced mystery and tension, prompting questions about the show's future. Hollywood Life has provided insights into the events of Season 6 and the possibility of a seventh season, though details remain under wraps. Spoilers are included for those who haven't watched yet. 7. Why was Blue Bloods cancelled after 14 seasons? Conclusion explained. CBS has announced the cancellation of its long-running police drama, Blue Bloods, after 14 seasons. The network confirmed the show's end last year, marking the conclusion of its successful run. 8. How to watch White Lotus Season 3. Streaming options. The White Lotus is set to return for its third season in 2025, more than 2 years after the second season. The new season will feature a blend of new cast members and the return of a beloved original character. Creator Mike White hinted that the upcoming season will explore themes related to death and Eastern religion and spirituality, following the previous season's focuses on money and sex. 9. White Lotus Season 3, release date, cast and all the details. Carrie Coon has joined the cast of The White Lotus Season 3, which is set in Thailand. Following the dramatic Season 2 finale, anticipation for the new season has been high. Despite delays due to Hollywood strikes, filming began in early 2024 after HBO announced new cast members. The show, renewed in November 2022, has received multiple awards for its second season. 10. White Lotus Season 3 cast. See the full list of actors. The White Lotus Season 3 is set to premiere on February 16, 2025, featuring a new cast alongside returning original members. Director Mike White described the upcoming season as supersized, indicating it will be longer and more extravagant than previous seasons. 11. Yellowstone's Bob Avila. What was his cause of death? The final episode of Yellowstone honored Bob Avila, a notable horseman who passed away at the age of 72 on November 9, 2024. The episode began with a tribute message dedicated to him, reflecting on his life and contributions to the show. Avila was recognized for his passion for horse riding and his involvement in the series. 12. Yellowstone Season 6, is it happening after John Dutton's death? Yellowstone is nearing its conclusion, but fans may still see beloved characters in upcoming spin-off series. As of December 15, 2024, there are ongoing discussions about the show's future, particularly regarding a potential Season 6. Despite being a major hit, questions about cancellation persist, especially following significant plot developments in Season 5 Part 2, which included a major character's death. Updates on the show's status and a spin-off featuring Matthew McConaughey are also anticipated. 13. How watch the Yellowstone Season 5 finale. See time. Channel and streaming details. The popular TV show Yellowstone is set to conclude with its Season 5 finale airing on December 15, 2024. Fans are eager to know how to watch the highly anticipated ending, whether through cable or streaming platforms. The series has experienced significant changes, particularly with the exit of star Kevin Costner, which has impacted the storyline and character dynamics, including the fate of his character, John Dutton. Actor Luke Grimes, who portrays Case Dutton, recently discussed the situation surrounding Costner's departure, attributing it to scheduling conflicts. 14. Sydney Sweeney Then and Now. Pics of the actress over the years. Sydney Sweeney, born on September 12, 1997, in Spokane, Washington, has emerged as a prominent actress known for her roles in various acclaimed projects. She began her career in commercials and independent films before moving to Los Angeles at 14. Sweeney gained recognition with her breakout role in Netflix's Everything Sucks in 2018 and has since captivated audiences as Cassie in HBO's Euphoria. Her film credits include Quentin Tarantino's Once Upon a Time in Hollywood and the dark comedy White Lotus. '15. Blue Bloods Season 14 Finale Cast. Photos of the stars. The article discusses the finale of Blue Bloods, which has been cancelled after 14 successful seasons. It highlights a celebration at the Empire State Building on October 18, 2024, featuring cast members such as Donnie Wahlberg and Tom Selleck. The show, centered on the Reagan family's law enforcement legacy, has been a beloved part of CBS programming for over a decade. The piece invites readers to reflect on the series as it concludes. 16. Malcolm in the Middle reboot, release date, cast and more. Malcolm in the Middle is set to return with a reboot, as announced by Disney-branded television president A.O. Davis. The revival aims to honor the beloved 2000s sitcom, which is celebrated for its humorous and relatable depiction of family life. Fans of the show can look forward to this new series. Following the trend of successful reboots like Raven's Home and Wizards Beyond Waverly Place. 7TV, Hulu TV and YouTube TV costs, comparing the prices as cable consumption habits shift. Streaming platforms are vying for viewers' attention, particularly as prices rise. YouTube TV, Sling TV, and Hulu Plus Live TV have emerged as popular alternatives to traditional cable. But all three are experiencing price increases. YouTube TV's basic plan will rise to $82.99 starting January 13, 2025, reflecting a $10 increase. The article discusses recent price hikes and the differences between these services. 18. Who did Bella Hadid play in Yellowstone Season 5? Her character Bella Hadid made a surprise cameo in the penultimate episode of Yellowstone Season 5, which is the final season of the series. The show follows the Dutton family, led by John Dutton, as they navigate challenges from land developers, a Native American reservation, and the First National Park, all while managing the largest contiguous ranch in the U.S. 1923, Season 2. Yellowstone prequel release date, cast and more to know as Yellowstone Season 5 concludes. The prequel series, 1923, is set to return for its second season in early 2025. The first season ended on a dramatic note, which actor Brandon Sklenar suggests will lead to a tonal shift in the upcoming season. He indicated that the stakes will be higher, with characters carrying significant emotional burdens into the new episodes. Further details about the release date, cast, and viewing options for 1923 Season 2 are expected to be revealed soon. 20. Why is Yellowstone not on Paramount Plus? Streaming details. Yellowstone, a flagship series for Paramount Network, is not available on Paramount Plus despite its popularity. The show airs new episodes on Paramount Network every Sunday, but fans are left wondering why the latest season isn't on the streaming platform. The article explains the situation and provides information on where to watch all seasons of Yellowstone.